This doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years, just to prove his mom wrong. As a kid, Donald Unger's relatives told him cracking his knuckles would give him arthritis. He didn't argue. He ran an experiment on himself for the rest of his life. Left hand, cracked at least twice a day, every day. Right hand, never. One was the experiment, one was the control. By the end, he cracked that left hand over 36,000 times. After 60 years, no arthritis in either hand, no difference at all. The myth your parents told you? Busted by one very stubborn man. He won a science prize for it. And his acceptance speech? Mother, you were wrong. Follow for more science facts.